How to turn on dark mode on NotebookLM. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can turn on dark mode on NotebookLM. To do so, first of all, open any web browser of your choice on your device. Here I have launched my Chrome browser. Now once in the browser, in the search bar type in notebooklm.google. This is the official URL of NotebookLM. Once I've entered this keyword, press on enter button to search for it. And then within a while, you will be taken to the official website of NotebookLM. Here ensure that you are logged into your Google account or your NotebookLM account. Simply click on this Try NotebookLM box right here, and then you will be able to access your account. Now once you have the access to your account, you will land on this page. Here at the top right, you will be able to locate the settings and the gear icon. Simply click on this option and a drop-down menu will appear. Now from this menu, you will need to search for device option. Once you locate it, simply click on it, and then again a pop-up will appear. In this menu, you will be able to see three different options, whether to use light mode, dark mode, or the mode that you have applied on your device. From here, select the dark mode, and then the interface will automatically switch to dark mode. Also, if your device is using dark mode, then simply by selecting the device option, you will also be able to turn it on to the dark mode. So by following these steps, you should be able to turn on dark mode on NotebookLM. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.